Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and you know, Christmas is coming up fast. You got everybody the gift that you're looking for. You're having a hard time finding a gift for somebody. It doesn't always have to just be for Christmas. If you're watching this after Christmas, this is still a great gift or a great gift to yourself. Or if you got, you got cash and you want to go buy something. Just like the box says, it's a perfect gift. It's an electric milk frother from Ordiforgo. And I'm really surprised they don't have their name on the outside of the box. I was looking for it. I'm like, where's Ordiforgo? That's O-D-I-F-O-R-G-O, Ordiforgo. Okay, anyway, this is a handheld milk frother, cordless. So let's open it up, see what all we got. I think it's a little unlike most of the ones you get. Like I said, it is cordless. Comes with a manual. Comes packed really well. This one has a stand for it where it can just sit on the table. Just like that. You want to keep that next to your coffee pot, I'm sure. Here is the unit itself. Right there. Little handheld. It's got, put it up this way. Low, medium, and high. It is already charged when I received it, a little bit. I'm sure it needs to be charged. It does come with a USB-C charging cable, and you just plug it in on that end right there. Let's see, what else does it come with? Obviously, it comes with the attachment for your milk frothing. That's the little one with the wire, okay? And it just plugs in, just like you plug in any other like a hand mixer or your stand mixer. It just plugs in. Real super simple. Plugs in, unplugs. And there you go. There's the low speed, medium, high. I've got a 1/4 cup of milk. When you do this, put this in. Don't touch the bottom of the sides and start on low. I've got myself a nice cup of coffee there. So this is on low. Okay, then as you get used to it, you can turn it up if you want. It's already getting nice and creamy. Okay, gonna go medium. Look how much that froth. That was a 1/4 cup, and it's up to 6 ounces. How about high? I'm gonna start on low so it doesn't go everywhere. Okay, we're going high right now, and it is really starting to froth this milk. Okay. So then you want to turn it off before you remove it, or else you'll have a mess. All right. Now let me pour this into my cup. Okay, so here's the top view, and here's our frothed milk. And I'm no barista, so I'm just going to add this to my coffee. Look at that. Look how creamy that is. All right. The Ordiforgo milk frother. 3 speeds. Wow, that milk is just, I mean, it's very smooth and creamy. All right, big success. It also comes with a whisk attachment. So you can beat eggs.
Salt and pepper to it. Start it on low. You can add milk if you want. And there you go. Make some scrambled eggs.
Egg whites.
Okay.
You can use it for mixing just about whatever you want. You would use with a whisk. It also comes with a hook. Now I had to look up, what is that hook for? It's obviously not a dough hook. But this hook you can use for, like, if you drink protein shakes or any shake that you add powder to, that's what this is for. This is going to help you blend up that protein shake or just milk, chocolate milk, whatever you're going to do. That's what that attachment is for. And again, it just attaches just like that. And when you detach it, just pull it right there. Keep it near your coffee pots, your espresso machine. Grab it. It's cordless. Again, it's got 3 different speeds. low, medium, and high. Okay, I know this is running long and I apologize, but there's a lot to this little thing. Ordiforgo Milk Frother that does a lot more than just milk frothing. It comes with a stand, and it comes with the two other attachments, the whisk and the basically a stir stick, a stir to get those clumps out of your protein shakes, and it does come with the charger, so that's pretty awesome. And Ordiforgo is going to let me give one of these away. All right, so I wanted to give one of these away before Christmas, but you know what? I think with everything that's going on, rush out and get one of these. Great stocking stuffer, great gift for somebody that you just can't figure out what to get them. This thing works fantastic, so I would recommend getting this. I don't think they would be disappointed because it does other things. Okay, so what I want you to do is, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and then leave a comment down below and just say milk frother or something with milk frother in it, and I will draw one winner. I think I'm going to do it between probably Christmas and New Year. Okay, so after the Christmas rush, you look forward to possibly winning one of these. And then if you want a second chance to win one of these, I started a new channel with my girlfriend, Elizabeth, and it's called What We Thought. And go over to What We Thought. We're going to also have a demonstration on this Ordiforgo Milk Frother over there, and we're going to be giving one of these away over there. And over there, just to help our new channel get started and growing. Be sure to subscribe there too, please. We'll say what you need to do over on that video as well, but you'll want to make a comment over there, and maybe I'll change it up so that you watch it and find out what word you got to really use. Anyway, good luck, everybody. If somebody leaves you a comment and in your comment that you won, you did not. That's a scammer. Okay, come back and watch it, because if I draw your name and you don't answer within like 5 days, I'm going to pick somebody else. All right. So, Ordiforgo handheld milk frother wand, fantastic product, and leave a comment, milk frother. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day, and hey, I hope you have a Merry Christmas and obviously a happy and prosperous New Year.